In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move photos from Google Photos to OneDrive. This is a simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for other pictures. In this walkthrough, we'll take a photo from Google Photos, download it to your device, and then upload that same file into OneDrive. If you want to keep a backup in another cloud service or organize your photos in a different place, this method works well. First, open Google Photos in your browser and make sure you're on the main Photos page. From here, look through your library and find the picture you want to transfer. Once you've found it, click the photo to open it. Opening the image fully is important because it gives you access to the menu options for that specific file. With the photo open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click those three dots to open the options for the photo. This menu contains additional actions you can take, including downloading the image to your computer. Next, click Download. After that, give it a moment to finish downloading. Depending on your browser and internet speed, the file may appear in your Downloads bar, your Downloads folder, or another location you've set up for saved files. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure the download has completed successfully so you can easily find the photo in the next part of the process. Now, switch over to OneDrive and go to your main files area. Once you're there, click Create or Upload. This opens the upload options and lets you bring files from your device into your OneDrive storage. From the menu, choose Files Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to upload a file directly from your computer or device. A file picker window will open, and this is where you'll locate the photo you just downloaded from Google Photos. Find the downloaded image, select the photo, and confirm the upload. Once selected, OneDrive will begin uploading the file. Wait for the upload to finish, and then you should be able to see the photo in your OneDrive. If you're transferring more than one image, you can repeat the same process for each file. Also, if you don't immediately see the uploaded photo, refreshing the OneDrive page can help. And that's it. You've successfully moved a photo from Google Photos to OneDrive. Ça, c'est une